Hello everyone, you are Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, sale, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some smart, trendy party wear collections, fancy looks only for you. So let me display. This one is very beautiful color combination, georgette base, fancy look, sequin work, very nice one. Same material, same saree. Today I have read different color, and this color is very beautiful one, pink, baby pink with magenta combined looks, very nice one. Soft also, best for your party wear. This one full base part is sequin stripes design, very nice one. Shiny looks, beautiful one, baby pink with magenta pink contrast looks, very nice one, trendy one. And this one is pallu in piping, and this one is full base part, fully sequin design, stripes pattern, sequin work, very nice one. Lightweight georgette base with sequin work, very smart, trendy looks. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart bright looks, very trendy one, best for your party wear also. And this one also same material, same pattern on different colors, same saree today I have draped, and this color is beautiful one, dual shade with georgette base with sequin work, very nice one, smart looks, and fully sequin design, full base part is sequin work. And this one is beautiful, and then border portion is piping shade, very beautiful smart looks, dual shade, dual dye. And this one is pallu and piping. And this one full base part, same sequin design, very shiny, smart looks, trendy one, fancy looks, very nice one. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. Also in a very beautiful one, bright looks, base part is art silk with Banarasi weaving work and fully bandhani printed one, very smart looks, bright one, fancy looks, and be a bright color combination. This one full base part art silk, and full base part is beautiful golden zari Banarasi weaving work, checks pattern work with beautiful bandhani printed one. And this one border portions contrast color dye border Banarasi weaving work with beautiful bandhani printed one, very bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one pallu portions, very nice one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful heavy Banarasi weaving work and bandhani printed butta print, very nice one, bright fresh looks. And this one full base part, very beautiful one, bright yellow and green contrast border Banarasi weaving work, and full base part is Banarasi weaving checks work, checks design with beautiful bandhani hand bandhani printed one, very trendy smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. Very bright color combination, same material art silk Banarasi work and bandhani printed one, very bright beautiful one and magenta fresh magenta pink shade and with beautiful weaving Banarasi work. This one full base part magenta pink shade, this portion is fully Banarasi weaving checks pattern work, and this one is border portions beautiful weaving work Banarasi weaving border design, and full base part is bandhani printed on, fully hand bandhani process, very nice one, elegant bright looks. And this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully fine zari weaving Banarasi work pallu with beautiful bandhani printed butta, very trendy smart bright looks. This one full base part, very nice one, fully checks pattern weaving Banarasi weaving work bandhani printed, and this one is border portions, very beautiful smart bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this Gujarati work silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also, the same material, beautiful color, bright red shade, maroon red shade, based for your party wear. Very gorgeous looks with beautiful Banarasi weaving work, checks pattern. This one, full base part checks, golden zari weaving Banarasi checks, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine weaving border design, Banarasi border, and full base part is weaving buta also. Weaving design, Banarasi weaving buta with Badhani printed one, fully hand Badhani printed one. Very nice one, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one is full base part, beautiful maroon, red maroon shade with golden zari work with Badhani printed one. And this one, pallu portions, very exclusive one, stripes pattern with beautiful heavy weaving work, Banarasi weaving work pallu. Very gorgeous looks. This one is full base part, and this one is, pallu portions, very nice one, bright, elegant, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright party looks. And this one also, beautiful one, organza base and with beautiful weaving buta design, pure handloom one, very smart, bright looks. This one, full base part, very smart, trendy one, full base part is organza base. This one, border portions, golden zari stripes pattern, highlighted border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, magenta pink shade, and this one, pallu portions, golden zari patch pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, organza transparent with buta work. Very nice one, trendy, smart looks, organza base with weaving buta work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks, based for your party wear. A very beautiful one, pure reshmi silk with beautiful weaving Banarasi work, and this one, full base part, and full base part is weaving buta design, very smart, bright looks. This one, full base part, beautiful color combination. This one is fine weaving border design, and this one is full base part, reshmi silk with beautiful weaving buta, and this one, pallu portions, fine weaving Banarasi work pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, very smart one. And this one, soft, comfortable, also pure reshmi silk with beautiful weaving Banarasi work, reshmi silk Banarasi. And this one, border portions, beautiful weaving work border, Banarasi border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very smart, trendy, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart, bright looks, very gorgeous one, based for your party wear. And this one also, georgette base with sequin work, very smart looks, smart fancy looks, and beautiful one, lace border stitch, very elegant also, beautiful bright color combinations. Let me open this one, full base part, small sequin work, full base part. This one is full base part, fully sequin design and lace border stitch, very nice one, bright looks, magenta pink shade, and full base part is, sequin design, very trendy also. And this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, very lightweight, and this one is pallu end border stitch, and this one is full base, very elegant one. And this one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, fancy party looks. This one also, same material, black base, bright color combinations, bright black with sequin design, georgette base, lace border, and full base part is, sequin design, very trendy, fresh looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, fully sequin work, black base, and side portion is lace border, and this one is pallu in beautiful lace design, very nice one. And this one is full base sequin work, black base with small sequin work, full base part. This one is full base, very bright, beautiful one. And this one is, running blouse piece, black set, and I will suggest this silk net base, silk material, silk net contrast blouse piece, sequin work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. Also in a very bright color, bright royal blue shade with sequin work, georgette base with beautiful sequin design, very smart looks. Let me open this one. Full base part, bright one, beautiful sequin design with the lace border stitch. Very trendy, smart looks. Full base part is same sequin work, and this one is pallu and lace border, very trendy, smart, bright looks, fancy looks. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, fancy looks. This one also same material, bright red shade, maroon red shade with sequin work and very beautiful color combinations. Also georgette base, fancy look, sequin work, and this one is full base part, fully sequin design, very nice one, bright looks. This one is full base part, side portion is lace border stitch, very nice one, trendy looks. And this one is pallu in beautiful lace border with sequin work. Full base part is same sequin design. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk net base with sequin work contrast blouse piece with this for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one also organza base, blue shade organza Banarasi, blue shade with a contrast green border, heavy worked border, and full base part is small big weaving polka design, very trendy, smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, fully organza base, and this one is border portions, fully weaving Banarasi weaving work border, contrast color with Banarasi weaving work border. And this one pallu portions, contrast color with fine golden zari weaving Banarasi work pallu. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu and base is blue shade, bright blue, and organza base, very smart, bright based for your party wear, wedding functions, very nice one. This one is full base part, gorgeous looks. This one is beautiful weaving golden zari weaving polka design, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also same material, beautiful elegant color combinations, organza base, organza Banarasi contrast color border. Let me open a beautiful one. This one is full base part, bright color combinations and elegant also, brown golden shade base, and this one is contrast color green border with fine Banarasi weaving work. And this one pallu portions, fully golden zari fine weaving Banarasi work pallu, and this one pallu portions, and this one is border portions, contrast color green shade with Banarasi work border. And this one full base part, very smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving polka design, and this portion is highlighted border, Banarasi work border, very nice on organza Banarasi. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, bright looks. In a very beautiful bright color combinations, pure organza base, Banarasi weaving border, contrast color border, dye border with beautiful weaving Banarasi weaving border design, very nice one, bright looks. This one border portions, contrast color dye border with beautiful golden zari fine weaving Banarasi work border and pallu. This portion is pallu, fully bouquet pattern weaving design pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, same bouquet work running blouse piece. And this one full base part weaving butta, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is full base part and beautiful color combinations. This one is contrast color dye border, and this one is full base part, beautiful contrast color threaded weaving design butta, very smart, bright looks, based for your party wear, organza Banarasi, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material small butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, smart, bright looks. This one also beautiful elegant color combinations, premium quality pure handloom tissue lace with beautiful embroidery work, silver zari border and have silver sign, full base, premium quality pure handloom tissue lace with beautiful color combinations and embroidery work. These are embroidery butta work, silver zari border and full base part of silver sign. And this one, pallu portions fully silver zari white patch pallu, and this one is full smart elegant looks and very beautiful elegant color combinations and full border portions, heavy embroidery work, 4-meter work, silver zari border. And this one is running blouse piece, very trendy smart bright looks, have sign, silver sign, full base, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. Also, very bright, beautiful one and very beautiful color combinations. Also fancy and traditional looks, very nice one. Semi georgette base and full base part is leheria pattern weaving design and very soft, comfortable also. And this one, border portions contrast color dye border with fine Banarasi weaving work border. This one is contrast color dye border with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving work border portions. And this one, full base semi georgette base with beautiful leheria pattern fine weaving design, full base part, fully golden zari weaving work, very nice on trendy smart looks, full base part is work and contrast color dye pallu also. This portion is pallu with bouquet pattern golden zari weaving design, pallu and very beautiful smart looks. And this one is same running blouse piece, bouquet work like pallu, beautiful smart trendy bright look, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material golden base, heavy work, bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh gorgeous looks. This one also, beautiful one, same material, semi georgette base with Banarasi weaving work and middle portion is leheria pattern, fully weaving leheria pattern work, very trendy smart looks. This one, full base part. This one is border portions, contrast color dye border with fine weaving design border. And this one is pallu portions, fully bouquet pattern weaving design, heavy worked pallu. And this one is running blouse piece, stripes border. And this one is full base part, orange base, leheria pattern weaving leheria pattern work. And this one, border portions, fully weaving design, heavy worked border, very smart bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy butta work, small weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also, very smart and elegant looks. Premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane with beautiful mirror design and full base part is checks main pattern and silver zari border and full base part is beautiful mirror embroidery work. And this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully designer work, stripes with mirror embroidery work pallu. This one is pallu in very trendy smart elegant look, soft lightweight also, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane. And this one, full base part checks pattern with beautiful mirror embroidery work, very nice on elegant smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart trendy looks. Also, very beautiful one, pure tissue silk, have sign also golden sign, tissue silk with design work, very nice on smart elegant looks, mirror cut work design, embroidery design, very nice one. This one, full base part golden shade. This one is full base part, tissue silk soft one, highlighted contrast piping and full base part is beautiful cut work with mirror and embroidery design, very nice one. Trendy looks. This one is full pallu portion. This one is pallu in mirror work with pom-pom design, very nice on tissue silk. And this one, full base part, very smart elegant looks, have sign also golden tissue silk, very beautiful smart bright one, have sign based for your party wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very beautiful one. One portion is pink shaded contrast piping, one portion is fresh green shaded contrast piping, and full base part is design work. And I would suggest this silk material heavy buta work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding look, smart also. And today I have did a beautiful fancy look saree, georgette base sequin work, double dye saree, very beautiful smart one, and fully sequin work, full base part, very beautiful color combinations also, beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.